please try and hear me out now. We've been at this for some time, please.
This man, I don't used to understand you sometimes. Again, you are trying to win her heart. That hasn't accepted you yet is who you're asking to follow to your house. No, make it make sense.
Look, what I'm trying to say is this. I mean, I need you to, know me better. You understand? Know me better. Look, I mean, how else do I explain that I love you? I love you. I love everything about you. Just look at you. I mean, look at us. We fit each other. Come on. Okay. Realistically now, tell me. Realistically, don't we look good together? Am I not presentable? Don't I speak well? Do I smell? No. So please, just try and consider my plight.
Enough of the sermon already. Why do you want me to go to your house?
So that you can know me better. So you can visit me anytime you want. I mean, I'm even willing to give you my spare key. It's how deep it is for me and you. You understand? Let's do what boyfriends and girlfriends do. Let's go steady. Look, I mean, two of us with tango. I mean, we look good together now.
It's fine. Let's go. Where is your car? Where did you park?
Where did I park? Just calm down. Bonsack.
500 naira.
5 waiting.
500.
I beg, stop this thing. Which one be 500 naira? 300 naira now.
Now wait till they go there.
Okay, 400. Bros, now stone dey this your heart too. Now so they do. Which one be say now wait till they do? No be so now more they go.
Now wait till they go there. I no cheat.
Guys dey breathe too.
No be so.
No be so the life dey.
I say I want cheat.
No be so the life dey. No be so the life dey.
I wait till they go there.
Stop first, I beg.
I no cheat you.
Which kind you no cheat me?
I no cheat you now. Like say I want cheat, I will tell you 1,000.
Don't do now. Babe, let's go.
Go where?
It's my house now.
With what?
With this now.
Listen, if your car is bad, you can as well get an AC cab.
AC cab?
If you don't want us to go to your house, we can cancel it.
It's okay.
It's fine.
It's okay. I'm really sorry. It's okay.
Better they go, Oga.
They go now. They go. You know that's why I beg, come out here. My love, I'm sorry.
Yeah, where?
Yes, brother. Bonsack.
Yeah, 2,000 naira.
2 what?
2,000.
Bro, stop that play. Which one is 2,000 now? What do you mean by 2,000?
Okay, this is an AC car. Not be like the normal taxi they run.
Waiting, no normal about this one now.
Okay, okay, 1.5.
Say?
Okay, 1.5. I
don't. 1K more they go.
Okay, don't they go?
Okay, calm down. They come first. Calm down.
Move the road now.
My darling.
So we are playing the same game. You're looking for someone to love you, and I'm looking for someone to love me. Not for my money, but to love me for me. We are playing the same game, the game of disguise. As everybody's more interested in the money, but I'm only interested to find true love. And then God send you my way, and I will love you with everything I've got, with everything I own. I'm gonna love you. You're the angel of my life, I'm gonna love you. With everything I've got, with everything I own, I'm gonna love you.
Baby, calm down. Just calm down. Let's 1-2 now.
No, 1-5.
Let's go 1-5. Draw is 1-5. Draw is 1-5.
And I'm shooting my shots. So we are playing the same game. You're looking for someone to love you. I'm looking for someone to love me. Not for my money, but to love me for me. We are playing the same game. The game of disguise. As everybody's more interested in the money, but I'm only interested to find true love. Then God send you my way, and I will love you with everything I've got, with everything I own.
Babe.
Where are you taking me to?
To my house now. This is the gate. Come, let's go. Come. Babe.
Oh my God. Linda, you've really suffered. I said, you looked at me very well. And your poor mind convinced you that a girl like my type would agree to follow a low life inside this prison.
Babe, don't call here a prison. This is my house. This is a nice house. Trust me. Forget what you see outside. This is a nice house. Look, I have a business I run. No, I can take care of you. My own business, a business I own. And if you're concerned about this house, forget about it. I'm actually in the process of living here. My agent is currently working. There's no problem. Babe, let's just go inside. Excuse me. Babe.
Chike, I will follow you inside only on one condition. That is personal to me. Else, I see no reason a classy girl like my type should be seen around this environment. Talk more of a face me, I face you.
Just calm
What?
down. Calm down. Forget about what you see here. See, inside my house is very cozy. I'm telling you, you like inside my house.
Don't even get me started. Like what? Like what?
Babe, just relax.
Listen, you make me change my mind right now.
Sorry. Sorry. Okay, let's just go inside. See, this place is nice. See, here is currently expensive. I'm telling you, here is currently expensive. You see one plot of land here, it's about 22 million naira because the governor just constructed the road to the expressway. And see, here is in high demand. See, keep off 419.
Can you
keep
just shut up? Shut up!
This place is...
You're driving me nuts. Can you close your mouth?
Sorry.
Lead the way.
Come now, babe. Come. You are in my compound, our compound.
Oh my God. What's this?
This is where I live now, my place. My place. See, don't mind all these things you are seeing. It's that our yard cleaner that hasn't come, for 2 weeks. She actually got pregnant and then
Listen,
the husband...
can you stop talking? Take me to your apartment.
Okay, my room is just there. This way. Carry this on. Wait bring that kind of talk now. Wait bring that kind of talk now. When me and you start to do that kind of thing.
No verse.
No, wait bring that kind of talk now.
I no talk I may verse you. No verse.
I beg stop and I beg.
Chike no verse now. Chike. Landlord come o.
You say?
Take am easy now. He come out of you. I don't hold you. He come.
Hello.
Sorry.
Chike. After now.
Your place.
Let's go to my room now. Let's go. My room is this way. Let's go, man. Babe, the room is nice. It's nice. It's cozy. You like it? Come. Come now. It's very airy. It's somewhere you like. Trust me. Trust me. See, it's very cozy and nice. See now, see.
Where are we going to?
My room. The painted side. Let's go. Oh now. Oh, trust me. Oh my God. Very nice. You like here. I'm telling you.
Chike.
You know, take care of and...
Chike!
Get the car for now.
Look, this is not time to tell me how far. Eh? Where is the money you promised to pay since last week for packing of sheets?
What's all this now? What's all this now? What's all this now?
Don't tell me to... Chike, you will pay this money. Pay this money, Nana.
But I've told you I'll pay now. I'll pay.
Chike, you keep talking that you will pay this money, you will pay this. Pay it, Nana.
What do you mean I should pay now? I've told you Monday I'll pay. Now, what's all this now? What's all this now? I'll pay by Monday.
But Chike, this thing you are doing in this compound is not good, though. Eh? Shit that you will shit inside your sock away pit, it will full. Others will pay money to suck it. You will not pay your own. Napa will come here and cut right. Others will pay, you will not pay. Listen, I'll go and report you to landlord just now.
Guy, your own done too much now. What is all this now? Calm down now. You should calm down. What's all this now? Calm down. Small power they just gave you. They call you technical. You just drive speed. What's this one now? Calm down now. I don't like it. Can't you say I have a female? Let my female enter inside. Then she will go before you now start telling me about soccer away fee. What's all this now? Calm down now.
Just to look at you. Eh?
Embarrassing me.
You're just forming fine boy. Eh? Who is embarrassing each other here? You're the one embarrassing yourself. Listen, everybody in this compound, we will label and lie out against you in this compound. Foolish man.
That thing is foolish, not foolish.
Thank you. It is you that go to the school. Pay the money.
Go to school. You won't go to school. You say you want to learn traditional medicine. My darling.
Don't touch me!
My darling, calm
Listen,
down.
I am pissed off already.
God will not let you to be pissed off.
I am regretting coming to this
No,
place.
don't regret.
Are we going inside or
Don't
not? Or should I
mind.
just go?
No, you can't go. Don't mind this idiot. He's just jealous of me. He's jealous of me because he has seen I am with a fine girl. He can never ever ask out. Never. Come, my love. Let's just go in, please. Just come. Calm down. Don't behave like this foolish thing. Says it's foolish. Come now. Come. How can I do this? Can you imagine? Somebody says it's label instead of rebel. Come, let's go, my love. Come. Everywhere is calm. It's a place you will like. Eh? Don't mind him. Not jealous of me. Please, after you, my love. Eh? Keep walking. Easy. All right, my darling. Okay. Yes, my baby. Yes. Yes, you're welcome. Welcome. Please sit down. Can I get you something?
So, this is the place you've been disturbing me to follow you to, right? No, this is it.
Yes, this is my wonderful abode of a room. You love it?
Linda, you've really suffered. You know when you walked up to me at that shop, I saw a handsome, cute, fresh, responsible-looking young man. I said to myself, oh, maybe your car was parked somewhere and you just wanted to walk up and talk. I never knew you were nothing but a handsome lowlife. I ask you, after looking at me very well, tell me, what gave you the audacity, the impetus, the courage to think you can date me?
Love at first sight. See, when I saw you, my body system changed. You know, my heart started racing. You know, my heart almost skipped. You see, there's this thing I call my inner man. You know, it's actually my inner mind, but I call it my inner man that talks to me. And my inner man told me this. He said, look ahead. That is the woman for you. That is the love of your life. You can't afford to miss this opportunity.
So your stupid inner man didn't direct you to your class? No. Your stupid inner man didn't tell you that I am not your class and can never be. Can you afford my cream? No, I mean my soap. I don't want to talk about my hair, my bags and shoes. I know you can perceive the fragrance of my perfume. Can you afford it? I ask again, what makes you think we can date? Like, we can talk, you can be my man.
And I say love again. Love. Love supersedes everything. Look, money is not everything. Really, I want you to do this for me, please. Just look deep into me. Forget about your physical eyes. Look deeply into me. Look, I will make it. I have prospects. I have dreams that I'm working towards. I will make it. Just please listen to me when I say you're the woman for me. Look, you're that woman I see I can grow with, that I can grow my empire with. So says my inner man. So just please listen.
Will you? Listen. While we're doing the growing up thing, who is going to be maintaining me? Because I'm a high maintenance.
By the grace of God. By the grace of God, definitely I will save up to afford anything you want. Why not? I'll maintain you.
Use that saving of yours to go pay off your debts. Your caretaker said you were going for a toilet disposal, an electricity bill. Go pay it off. Okay? Listen. Oh my God. Who is talking like that?
Don't mind these people, please. It's just maybe the person wants to borrow something from me. It doesn't matter.
Is that why it's...
That's the way they behave at times. Because I'm just, nice to them. Sometimes they just behave anyhow. Please, let's talk about ourselves, please. Let's talk. The truth of the matter is,
Who is that now? It's me, your landlord. You say? Your landlord.
Please,
Sir?
Now your landlord, come outside. I said now your landlord make you come out.
Good morning, good evening. Sorry, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Chike, you see your life? Starts with they jam everything together. Good morning, good afternoon. You know if you differentiate which one be which again. Guilty conscience. Listen to me, Chike.
Yes, sir.
The only thing that will make today to be good, make I speak pidgin. The only thing we go make today stew as they talk am. It is when you give me that 6 months rent when you dey hold me today.
Landlord, calm down. Just be calming down. See, I'll give you this money. I'll give you this money. You see, is the people that came to my shop to collect goods on credit. And actually, I thought they were good people, you understand? But later, they have promised. They've promised that they'll give me at the end of the month. So no problem.
Make you quiet, make I talk. I think this your story not the finish. You be storyteller. Enough of your cock and bull story. I am no longer interested in those stories, Chike.
Shouting now.
I am no longer interested in them. Keep them to yourself.
Stop shouting now. Sorry, sir.
I go apply self-help in ejecting you out of this house.
No, good afternoon.
You dey see this idiot?
He never failed.
Now story they tell me.
As usual.
Oh, so they know you self. Oh, Chike, you see your life? Now me make you face. Now me they talk to you. Now your landlord they talk to you. Sorry. If you don't give me that money today, I know they do court, I know they do lawyer, I know they do judge. I will personally apply self-help in ejecting you out of this house.
Landlord, calm down now. Landlord, I'll give you this money. No need to knock.
Then I go come use my personal key. Then lock the door. Make I come see the maga wey go come here come tell me rubbish.
Just calm down. calm down. I will pay. I'll pay. Okay, give me the end of this month. End of this month, I'll pay. If I don't pay, do anything you want to do. Just, you see as the country be now. Not my phone, the country and the people where they inside the country. I beg, landlord, please. Please. I will pay, sir.
Chike!
I will pay.
Chike!
Sir.
Chike!
Sir.
How many times I call you? If you not to make I remind you now, 3 times I call you. If I not see that money, Chike, if I not see that money at the end of the month where you promise me, I go shocking you for where I go contain you. You go come and say, yes, Kaki, not be leather. You go know how far.
Yes, sir. Go.
Nonsense.
God bless you, sir. God be with you, sir. Hey, and you don't do too much for this compound, though. You don't do too much for this compound, though. Okay. It's all right. It's okay.
Listen, just hold it there. I don't want to hear whatever you want to say. Just keep it to yourself. It's obvious you're nothing but a miserable lowlife, and I've had it up to here with you. Yes, my eyes deceived me. Can I have my transportation fare right now?
Transportation fare?
I want to leave.
You want to leave just like that?
Yes, just like that.
But I've not offered you anything now. I've not offered you cola. I've not offered you anything now.
Keep whatever you have to offer to yourself. I don't want. Just give me the transportation fare already.
It's okay now. If you won't take malt, at least just take mineral now. Take something. Take something now.
You want to offer me malt?
Yes.
Listen, I've had enough already. And I'm sick and tired of following you to this place. In fact, I regret it. Can I just have my transportation fare in peace?
You want to leave?
I want to leave!
Just like that?
Oh my God.
Okay.
Just give it to me. Let me go.
Okay. If you insist.
Oh yes, I insist.
Okay, and this is what will happen. I will see you off now. So I will escort you. Just when we trek 10 poles away, not too far, then we'll get to the junction where I'll put you inside keke. They will charge you 100 naira. Then the keke will take you to the expressway. When you get to express, highest taxi will charge you highest 100 naira to your house.
You are a very foolish man. Come on, will you go and get me my cab fare, sir? Listen, Chike, you don't want to do this with me, right? Go and get me my cab fare. We came here with a cab.
But you get faster to your house with keke. It's okay. Let me go and, it's okay. Let me just go and borrow from my neighbor. It's all right. It's okay. It's okay. It's no problem. It's okay. Got my guy. Please, I need you to lend me 1,000 naira. Please, 1,000 naira. And
stop that, Stop that thing you used to do in this compound. 1,000 every day. I just saw you with a woman passing this lady. I said, see, let me tell you something. The one I gave to you before, have you paid?
I have not paid now, but I'll pay now. I'll pay. I told you now. Tomorrow is the date now. I'll pay your money now. So just give me 1,000 naira. I promise tomorrow evening I'll pay you. Please, it's an emergency.
Look at how you're doing. Just pay me. When you are inside the door, why are you doing this thing? See, take it easy.
My guy, I beg.
I just think about something.
I beg now, guy. I get programmed now. I beg now.
The only money I have here is money I want to give to my wife to cook.
Please, let's go inside. You have money now. No you again. You have money now. You put offloaded today now. Go now. Please, let's go. Don't do like this now. Me, I beg. Some time now. Me, say they do for you now. Guy, move better. I beg. Babe. Babe. Guy, I beg you, see one girl wear black, wake up from here.
No, I don't see anybody.
Very good. Never you in your lifetime call this number again. I'm going to block you off. And I want to warn you for the last time. The next time you come around me or stop me on the road, I will give you the disgrace of your life. Just stay off me. Far away. Stay off.
Ah, no now, babe, no now. No, 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 no. No, no. No. Ah.
Babes, this life not just balance. If you see this guy I met today, very cute, looking so fresh like today's bread, handsome, but shish, shimbai, you know, come on, ordinary 1 naira, man no gets.
The ones with cash will be so ugly, pot-bellied, and irritating inside. In fact, nothing will ever attract you to this set of people except their money.
You know it. Except their money, my sister. Especially those ones that when they're on top of you while making love, you feel so disgusted and irritated that you want to use the pillow to cover their face. Just because you can't imagine allowing a monster, I mean a beast like that, lay his filthy hands on you. Because of money. I swear. This guy, he was so fresh. Especially his pink lips that I almost wanted kissing him when he was talking to me. Thank God I was able to hold myself.
But Linda, since the guy is cute, like you said, and you like him.
I like this guy. Listen, I crave for this guy. Especially his pink lips, like, I can't still get it off my head.
Then go for him. Accept his proposal and then date him.
Me, Linda, date a poor church rat. Come on.
Come on, girlfriend. You can always make money from your sugar daddies. Oh, yes. Then use the same money to keep the wheel of your relationship with this very guy lubricated.
Baby girl, I would never do such. Listen, the guy in question lives in a dungeon. I mean, in a bloody face me, I face you.
It doesn't matter. You can take him to a hotel, or better still, you can help him financially to secure a better apartment where you'll be comfortable in.
You're going far. You are going far. Me, where they streets, on your highway, like me. I go and hustle, carry the money, and finance the boy because he fine. I know they do like that, my sister. He goes. No, you need to go and hustle yourself.
Love can make you do a lot of crazy things.
I don't have such time like that. I no go fit.
Really?
Make him fine, they there. Make just they mad, my dear.
Love can make you do a lot of crazy things.
Catch fire.
You are money. You are money. You will never change.
But I really love that girl. I mean, it's too early to give up on her now. I'll keep trying. She's the picture I've always had in my mind as a wife. I wish you can understand money is not everything. In marriage, what matters is love. And of course, the level of love both of you have for each other, and not money. No, not money. I wish you would just understand this. How I just wish.
my dreams. The angel of my life, I'm gonna love you. With everything I've got, with everything I own, I'm gonna love you. You're the woman of my dream. Something I'm searching for in Sokoto. I even plan to go back to the Obodo. Another said the thing they inside my Sokoto, and I'm shooting my shot so far. So we are playing the same game. You're looking for someone to love you, and I'm looking for someone to love me. Not for my money, but to love me for me. We are playing the same game, the game of disguise. As everybody's more interested in the money, but I'm only interested to find true love. And then God send you my way, and I will love you with everything I've got, with everything I own. I'm gonna love you. You're the woman of my dreams, the angel of my life. I'm gonna love you with everything I've got, with everything I own. I'm gonna love you. You're the woman of my dream. Something I'm searching for in Sokoto. I even plan to go back to the Obodo. Another said the thing they inside my Sokoto, and I'm shooting my shot so far away.
Chike. My guy, are you just opening? Why is your face like that? What is it now?
Is it not that girl?
Which girl? Linda?
Yes, now. Yes.
What happened?
Can you imagine? Okay, yesterday I took her to my house. You know, I mean, she was just so disgusted. Nothing went well with her. She left there without even telling me. I didn't even know where she left, you know. I went out, looked for her everywhere. I didn't see her. The next thing, this morning, as early as 6 o'clock, I was in front of her gate. I waited for that girl. She didn't come out. She didn't come out till now. No trace of her. No trace.
Chike, wait. Are you trying to tell me that you left your shop and the things you're supposed to do in your shop and went to look for a woman?
See, that's a girl I love. Speaking of business, please now, please. You know, please help me now. Help me. Give me money. Give me money. Just borrow me money. Let me stock up this shop. Or better still, just give me money. Let me go get a shop in that plaza. Maybe she'll look at me differently. You know?
I should borrow you money, Chike.
Yes, now let me go get a shop at the plaza there. That's where I should be now.
What of the ones I've given to you before?
Oh, but I still have some things here now.
Squandered it. See, your shop is empty. You left it. Now you're asking me for another money. You know how much I've given you to support you in your business.
My guy, don't talk like this now. Just give me money. Give me money. Let me just go get a shop at the plaza there. She'll look at me differently now.
Come and give me beer to drink, I beg. Let's go inside and talk something very important. Let's go inside.
Let's go and give... Guy, I beg now. Help me now. Help me now. You're my guy. You're my guy.
Yeah, I'm outside.
Oh, okay then. I'll be with you shortly. All right. Babe. He's outside.
So fast?
Yes. Okay, you're not done.
I'm done.
Hurry up, please. Don't keep my Prince Charming waiting. Please.
Yes, Your Majesty. I've heard you.
Let's go now. Everything is there.
Finally, I am meeting my Instagram goddess. Flesh and blood.
Of course.
What a pleasure.
It's my pleasure too.
My name is Eribe. Eribe Agu Agu. What a pleasure.
Okay. I am Joan. Joan Sexy.
My friend I told you would join us.
I already know that. Shall we?
Of course.
Let's go. I'm sure you like this place.
I love this place. It's my kind of thing.
Really?
Yes.
Classy. That is the right word to use.
Classy is the word, baby.
Thank you.
You know, you babes are very beautiful. You know? And there is no way I would take beautiful damsels like you to any place that is short of being classic.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yes. Look, enjoy yourselves, right? If you need anything, don't hesitate to ask. Everything will be delivered to you.
Oh,
As a matter of fact, as soon as we finish from here, I'm taking you to another place. A native cuisine, where you will eat all kinds of native food. I'm sure you will like it like this place.
That's my baby.
Yeah.
Safe to say you're set out to spoil us silly today then.
And seriously, we are ready to be spoiled by you. At your service.
You don't know me.
You don't know my baby.
Yes, I'm going to
Jealous?
Yeah?
No, I don't want somebody to beat me.
My man, Eribe. My friend and I are very grateful for the treat he gave us today. And this is us saying a huge thank you to you. We really enjoyed ourselves. Trust me.
Yes, I must say, you really made our day. And believe me, we are not taking it for granted. Thanks a lot. God bless.
Why now? Why?
How?
You guys are embarrassing me.
Wow.
Yes. What is my name?
Eribe Agwawo. What?
Eribe Agwago. You see, I have a problem. My problem is that my money is too much. According to the young boys, too long. So the problem is how to spend it. So I came across beautiful damsels like you that are willing to spend it with me. I mean, it's an honor. Can't you see?
That makes all of us. Because Anyibo Okuna Abuego.
Yes, sir.
You met your match then. You know?
Someone who knows how to cook meets with someone who knows how to eat.
That makes all of us.
Let's demonstrate this. This is just for your weekend.
No way. No
and this is
way.
Yours.
Oh, no bloody way. Oh, girl. Oh my days. For us?
Oh yes.
Oh my God, you speak in my bloody language like this is it.
Oh yeah?
If this is not it, then I don't know what it is then. My God.
Oh, Eribe, thanks so much. You see, that's the magic we're talking about. Talk and do.
Look, the more you thank me, the more you embarrass me. Look, I have to go now. Like I said, the money is too much for me to spend.
I can see.
So give me a call if you need more.
Okay?
Thank you.
I have to leave now.
Alright. I don't want to see it. Thank you so much, sir. Thanks. Drive safely, okay?
Of course I will.
Alright. Oh.
Looking for someone to love you, and I'm looking for someone to love me. Not for my money, but to love me for me. We are playing the same game, the game of disguise. I said everybody's more interested in
What are you doing here? No, what on earth are you doing here? How did you even know my house?
Sorry, who is he?
The poor church rat I was talking to you about.
Oh, Chike.
What are you doing here?
Yes, my name is Chike, but I'm not a poor church rat. Why? Look, I might not have a car, but I'm not a poor church rat. Please now.
Aliko Dankote. No, you are Femi Otedola, right? What are you doing here? It's a question. What are you doing here?
Linda, I've been calling your phone. And it's not been connecting.
It's not been connecting because I blocked your number. And that is because I don't want you calling me anymore. Is it too difficult to understand?
Linda, wait. You're treating me this way because of that car?
Oh, you just said because of that car. Okay. Of course, because of that car. Now let me ask you. gather everything you have together as a man, can it amount to this? No, I mean, can it ever amount to this? You see why we can never work? You see? So I advise you, as a sister, to go and look for your class. I mean, your type of girl. Because I'm not. You can say we can't work. Because the next time I will see you hanging around me or following me about, listen to me, I will have you arrested. Linda. Okay? Get lost.
Linda.
Chike, as it is right now, you have to go, please. I will talk to her. She's my very good friend. Please, just go. Okay? I'm so sorry for everything. I'm sorry.
Man, when I get money, he dey see she do. He dey see she do. Man, when I get the money, he dey see she do. He dey see she get. Man, when I get the money, he dey see she do. He dey see she do. Man, when I get the money, he dey see she get. He dey see she get. And such from left to right, nothing when you do go fits him right.
But babes, that Chike guy loves you so much.
Loves who?
Oh yes. I can boldly see love breathing in his eyes.
Is that why he wants to choke me with love? Eh? Will I eat love? I beg you.
Listen, this kind of confidence the guy has, a lot of poor guys out there don't even have it. They will feel intimidated by the fact that a man brought us back home in that kind of car. But in his case, he didn't even mind. He still had the courage to come stop you. Come on, girlfriend. Check it yourself.
That is because I already told him he's cute. Yeah. And listen, I kind of like him, both. The truth still remains that I would never date him. I would never stoop that low. If he likes, let his confidence flow from here to London. That's his business. Linda, I've got no business. I mean, no single business with poverty. And he knows it already. Yes, I date for money, baby girl, not for beauty.
Okay, oh. I like him, Sha.
I don't understand. Like, did I beg you to like him for me? No. When did you start liking my friends for me? Make it make sense. You're crossing your boundary. Do you know that?
Sorry.
Sorry for yourself.
Calm down. It has not gotten to this. I said anything wrong here. Oh.
Yeah, my guy, what's up? How about our usual place now? Yeah, I'm catching my phone, you know? What? You want to come and meet me? Oh boy, no come, no come. Face your shop. Face your business. You have business, you have a target, you need to upgrade your shop. And if you finish, I will come carry you now. As in, you want? Now you know. I'm here, Sha. I'm here. Okay, bro. Run on.
I saw the notice of a sales girl. Please. I am interested, please.
We are not the one that placed it. It's that shop.
But the shop is locked.
Yeah, maybe you come back later.
Thank you.
Psycho.
No, my brother, I didn't see you yesterday.
Why?
I needed somebody to talk to, you know. This girl, this girl treated me badly. I don't know why she treated me this way. She's treating me badly, you know. I just don't understand.
My guy, such is life.
No, don't tell me that, don't tell me that. Do you know that yesterday, I went to this girl's house in the morning. I stayed till afternoon. I didn't see her. Then I went to my shop. Stayed in my shop till 7 p.m. I closed my shop that early. I closed my shop 7 p.m. Went to her house, stayed in one gutter near her gate. Waited for this girl till 10 p.m. Then one man brought her in. You know? With her friend. And I, you know, talked to her, approached her, and she was telling me more ancient and modern story. I don't understand why she would just treat me like that. Telling me what I don't know.
My brother, see, let me tell you something. The language all these girls here now is money.
No, now.
My brother, you know, money speaks these days, okay? You know, children of nowadays, they've actually changed love for money. Money is the language they hear. If you're not talking money, you're not doing it. You're missing it.
Oh, no, but it shouldn't be like that. It should, okay, you saw the way we gelled. Everything was on cruise control. You know, understand me? I was smiling, the chemistry and all. I asked her number. She gave me real easy. I mean, we're good. We're just on the steady. You understand? The only time she took a 360 turn was when she came to my house. Then she noticed my financial incapacity. Yes, she noticed I wasn't financially strong. You know, my financial strength was low. And then next day, she started behaving somehow to me. But come on, I know she likes me, but it's wrong what she's doing. I mean, these people don't realize that somebody can be rich today and poor tomorrow. Somebody can be poor today and rich tomorrow. That's life.
That's one thing they don't understand. That's just one thing they fail to understand. You know, but money rules the world, you know.
Stop speaking like this, please. I mean, it's wrong now. It's wrong.
That's
it's wrong.
The language they hear now.
Beat you. Beat me on top of
I
my
know
money.
why I dey leave you.
Yeah, this girl you dey crazy. So.
I get single bone, I go beat
If
you.
you get single bone,
I know
tell
why
me, make I see you.
Then leave me. Talk.
You pushed me. I pushed you. Oga, if you know this idiot, now have to give me my money. I saw food for this girl if you want. She don't pay penny. Wait till be that one.
You are the bigger fool. You are the bigger idiot. In fact, you are Oga, look at this fool, oh. This idiot, oh. He carry him food, come here. I tell him say money no dey to pay him. Say make him dey go. He come dey beg me, oh. Tell me say make I buy the food. I know say him food sweet. Make I buy am. Anytime why I get money, wait, make I pay am. Yeah? Now he come back here and tell him say I never still sell anything. Make him dey go. He dey here, they
How we take concern me say you never say? I beg give me my money, make I come up for here.
It's okay. I said it's okay.
My money I want, Oga. Look at this one, oh.
I said it's okay. How much is she owing you?
300 naira. And be the money where she dey make noise for.
Sorry, sir.
Do you have to?
I have.